Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to activate your Leica mobile SIM card in Portugal step by step. First, make sure to insert your SIM card into your phone before starting the activation process. Next, open any browser and search for Leica Mobile SIM Activation Portugal. Click on the official Leica Mobile website for SIM card activation and registration. Once you're on the page, select mobile number, then enter your Leica mobile number and the last four digits of your SIM card or ICC ID. If you're unsure where to find it, check the numbers printed directly on your SIM card. After entering the details, tap Continue and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be asked to provide your personal details and address information to complete registration. Once that's done, your Leica mobile SIM card will be activated shortly, and you'll be ready to make calls, send texts, and use data in Portugal. And that's it. That's how you can register and activate your Leica mobile SIM card in Portugal easily. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.